Get ready for a journey beyond the ordinary, where nature's wonders defy belief and reality feels like a dream. Join us as we traverse the globe to uncover some of the most awe-inspiring and unbelievable places on Earth. From hidden caves shimmering with crystal giants to mountains painted in a rainbow of colors, we'll witness nature's artistry in its most breathtaking forms. Prepare to be captivated, for the world holds secrets that will ignite your imagination and leave you breathless with wonder. Deep beneath the Nika Mountain in Mexico lies a secret, a subterranean palace guarded by giants. Here, in the sweltering heat, colossal crystals of selenite erupt from the darkness, some stretching over 40 feet long. Formed over millennia, drop by painstaking drop of mineral-rich water, these glistening behemoths create a scene straight out of a fantastical tale. Imagine venturing into this shimmering cavern, the air thick with humidity, dwarfed by the sheer scale of these crystalline wonders. It's a testament to the power of time and the hidden artistry of our planet. Our journey takes us now to the Jiangye Dangxia National Geopark in China, home to a geological marvel that seems to defy logic. Imagine a landscape painted by a divine hand, where rolling hills rise up in stripes of crimson, ochre, emerald and gold. These are the Rainbow Mountains, a surreal spectacle formed over millions of years through the tectonic shifting and layering of sandstone and minerals. The elements too have played their part, sculpting the soft rock into valleys, peaks and swirling patterns that stretch as far as the eye can see. It's a sight that awakens the soul and reminds us of the boundless creativity of the natural world. Chapter 3. The Luminous Lagoon. As twilight descends on the Maldives, a magical transformation occurs in the shallows of Vadu Island. The inky black water begins to shimmer and glow, as if reflecting 1,000 stars. But these are no mere reflections, for here the sea itself comes alive with light. This ethereal display is the work of bioluminescent plankton, microscopic organisms that emit a captivating blue glow when disturbed. Picture yourself walking along the shoreline, each footstep igniting a burst of luminescence in the sand. The waves, crashing gently on the beach, erupt in a symphony of light, a truly mesmerizing spectacle that blurs the line between reality and a waking dream. Chapter 4. The White Abyss. Imagine a landscape stripped bare, a canvas of pure white stretching endlessly towards the horizon. This is the White Desert of Egypt, a surreal realm of chalk rock formations sculpted by the relentless desert winds. These ghostly figures, some resembling animals, others defying description, stand sentinel over this otherworldly landscape. As the sun dips low, casting long shadows across the white expanse, one can't help but feel a sense of awe at the stark beauty and silence of this ancient place. It's a stark reminder of the power of nature to both create and erase, to shape and reshape our world in ways we can scarcely comprehend. Chapter 5. The Giant's Playground. We return now to the depths of the Nika mine, but this time we venture deeper still into a cavern known as the Cave of Crystals. Here, in a world of unimaginable scale, lie the largest selenite crystals ever discovered. Imagine a cathedral made of crystal, its pillars towering over 50 feet high, each one a work of natural art formed over countless millennia. The sheer size of these crystals is staggering, their translucent forms seeming to defy gravity as they pierce the cavern's darkness. It's a humbling experience, a reminder that there are still wonders hidden beneath the surface of our planet, waiting to be discovered and explored. Outro. Until our next adventure, thank you for joining us on this magical journey. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. From the depths of hidden caves to the heights of painted mountains, our planet never ceases to amaze. So keep exploring, keep seeking out the extraordinary, and let the beauty of the natural world inspire you. Until next time, keep exploring.